Yeah, I'm so excited for this one.
How do you feel?
Oh.
Did you just fart on me? Oh. Stinks. Do you want to say hello first?
Hello first.
Pop is getting drunk because he doesn't like Thai snacks. And that's what we're trying today. I've got mystery box. I have no idea what's in here. We've got some durian chips, some Korean barbecue. Are they like sticks?
Yeah, stick we call ka dai.
And this, Amazon said that it was some sort of salted egg yolk durian cake, which I know it's Chinese, but it's durian, so we'll try it anyway. Selected Thai snacks from the land of smiles. Smile.
This one.
This one first? Okay.
This one is good.
Well, I like this brand of their like seaweed chips.
Yeah.
The spicy ones. Mmm. Cow Kenai Noi.
How can I?
Cow Kenai. That was really good. It's kind of sweet. Now we have the.
How do you? You need to tell them how you feel.
I did. I said it was really good. I said it's
That's
kind of
it.
sweet. Well, what else? What else would you like me to say? It made me feel like this. Oh, that's really good. Mmm, I like that. All right, what's next? Mmm. I like sunflower seeds and I like seaweed, so it's a really good combination. It's like seaweed stuck in my throat. Oh, this is the Wiggly chocolate. Are you my personal snack opener? No? I'm processing. What do you think? It reminds me of Turkish Delight. So yeah, that's a no from me. What's next? The bitchin' chocolate.
Not have chocolate.
Mmm, coconut. You're so terrified. Oh, fish sticks.
That fishy, very fishy.
Fish sticks. It smells like the lake when the fish are mating. I can't even get it off. How do you do that? It's too chewy. Like, it doesn't make sense. I feel like it should be crispy. Mango now?
Say the name again.
Woraporn. Oh, it's like a fruit roll-up. I approve of this. I like this one.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this one. You know what? Because I like chocolate. But right now, I would say when we have a chocolate quality better from Thailand. That's why I would try that again after like 4 years and never have. Then I would want to know how I feel.
How do you feel? You look disappointed.
Yeah. ไม่ได้กระดาษนะครับแต่ว่าพอมาอยู่นี่ like yeah when I stay in Thailand like a big whole pack I can eat it all.
How do you say this one? Again.
Teal, not a teal.
Starts with an E.
Ellse.
Do you not pronounce the double L's like Spanish language? No? That's interesting. Well, that didn't open. I would buy these. It's not very sweet, and I like that. Moo milk. Oh, they're like Necco wafers. Are you trying to show there's a cow on it? Ew, no, it's a spitty cow. Okay, so we're gonna do the Lotus Biscuit Korean barbecue. Oh my god, they look like little drumsticks. Oh my gosh. That is crunchy. I actually had a dream about these after I got them in the mail. That I ate them all and I really like them, and the dream came true because I really like them.
I think this one is pretty good. But this one expensive too.
It's expensive?
I don't remember, but I guess.
It's really expensive. I don't know, but maybe. Yeah, I like these.
This one is Chewy.
You think it's gonna kill me? Is that your goal? So we saved it for last. So this is the tamarind candy with plum powder.
Go for it.
Oh wow! Why is this killing me?
Everything's sour. Not sour?
No.
No? This one I never had before in Thailand. I think.
It's Forest. It's a pineapple head.
No, yeah.
Have you seen Forest hair? So this is Chilli Pineapple, which is a really good combination.
This one better. Next.
What is it? Oh, the cashew nuts. Okay.
Can you reading the brand again?
Okay.
Okay.
It's a nut. Why are you it tastes really like it's like solid tom yum. It's really strange.
I will tell you taste like มะม่วงเหนียวพันคลุกผงมาม่าครับ
Oh, I understand completely. Alright, so now we're on to some durian.
This one always good.
It really doesn't stink, but it's probably because it's freeze dried.
Yeah.
It has no flavor. Alright, can you read this for me?
Yolk, salt, yolk, egg, durian flavor.
Do you think they're gonna smell like durian?
Yeah.
They do? Cool, so I'm gonna get the actual experience of what durian smells like. It smells like Confrontation from Universal back in the 90s. I don't know if this is actually salted egg yolk. I feel like the advertisement was wrong. I don't know. If you know Chinese, let me know. Okay, Forrest, you're gonna review this one, okay? This is chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana.
Good job. Perfect.
What do you think?
Yummy or yuck?
Nom nom.
Take a bite. It's mango.
Mango.
Mango. Mmm.
Nom nom.
You have to actually eat it, just not say num num.
Oh nom. What? Yucky. This Taggy.
You already tried it. You said it was yucky. You're willing to try it again?
Right.
This isn't the purpose of this. You're supposed to try it.
No.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. Oh.